What's going on, guys? Today we are actually starting out the vlog here in the bathroom. As weird as that sounds, I've got the exhaust fan on because I kind of screwed up my bathtub a little bit. And as you can see here, this is actually a body filler Bondo. I kind of dropped something on the bathtub here and made a big dent. So now, in hopes of not pissing off my apartment whenever I go to move out, I decided, hey, let me just try to fix that. So, what better than a little body filler? So in this video, you're going to see me kind of sand on this a little bit. We'll see if we can get it primed up, and hopefully I can get some white paint. I don't know if I have any right now. See if we can make this look halfway decent. Alright guys, got the primer all finished up here, tape removed. Don't have any white paint, unfortunately, to finish it out. I thought I did, but as you can see, we've got the nice, curvature and everything. The dent that was here originally is taken care of. I didn't actually get to capture that on video beforehand. Didn't really plan on doing this video at first, but I was like, hey, I'm Bondo in my bathtub, Might not be something bad to kind of capture on film, so... Like I said, unfortunately, I don't have any white paint right now to fix this. It really doesn't look that bad just with the primer, but hopefully it's enough to get by that when I do finally move out of this place, nobody will notice that I had or put a big dent in the bathtub, because this is metal, so it's really easy to dent. And I'm just going to get some paint, blend that in. So I hope you guys thought this video was kind of interesting, something just kind of strange, out of the ordinary. Just another way to use Bondo. If you did like the video, please comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, dislike, tell me what I can do better. Thanks for watching as always, guys. Peace out.